Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C21Y. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. In the beginning, let's enter camera. And as you can see, on the home page of the camera, we've got video mode, capture, portrait and more. Let's start with the video mode, where we can zoom in 4 times and can't zoom out. Also in video mode we can turn on or off flashlight, and that's all. In capture mode we can also zoom in 4 times and can't zoom out. We can turn on Google Lens, flashlight, HDR, beauty mode, and now let's go to portrait. In portrait mode we can only adjust aperture. In more we've got burst mode, filter, time-lapse, pro mode, where we can manage our white balance, exposure, shutter speed, AF, ISO, or set it to default. Then we've got panorama, slow motion, macro, and night pro mode. Now let's go to settings. In settings you can change storage path between internal storage and SD card. We can change volume key function, enable or disable camera sound, fingerprint shutter, save location. Then we can change picture size for back camera, picture quality. We can add logo watermark and time watermark, enable countdown duration of 3 seconds and 10 seconds, change composition line for grid, golden section, reticle and box, enable smile shutter, face attribute detect, anti-banding, enhance low light photos automatically, and AI scene recognition. Also we can enable or disable touching photograph and Google Lens. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.